Hello my beautiful peoples, welcome back to my mini vlog. Not a mini vlog but a recipe. So आज मुझे जोर से बुखार और सर्दी हो गई थी. So I asked my mother to make some काढ़ा. So let's see how she make it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. The already starts. Killing by eyes. The OG gangster. I love to the fashion to viral.